Production.
Yo, what's poppin'? So we're looking at Ouster here. So we had this small resistance that was holding us back at 134. Right? We got the breakout and we run into this above zone where we spent several weeks in this zone. Keep in mind I'm on the 2-day time frame here. We immediately get rejected, and not only do we not reject that area, but we couldn't even hold this 134 or 135 range. It's not a good sign for the bulls here. So what I'd be looking for now, right? This all really depends on what is your trading plan. Like if you're using this as a longer term play, then does it really matter? Right? It doesn't really matter if it didn't hold that 135 zone if this is a long term play for you. It would be more of a concern if we were trying to catch the swing trade into the next few weeks, because obviously they had no respect for this 135 zone. So what I'm thinking now could potentially be happening here is it's going to be going sideways for a little bit longer, where we've had this long downtrend, and now we're going to have this zone here where we could even lift this up a bit, right? Because it's clear now that this is probably the more so the zone. It could be going sideways for a lot longer in between these two ranges here, where we have this long period of time where we have this equilibrium trend going on, where we're in between 85 cents and we're in between $1.80, 85-ish. And we play sideways in that range for a long period of time before we get that big move to the upside. So now this is the new zone here. We're going to see how many times do we get stuck in this area before we break this zone if it were to happen. What we do not want to see from a bullish perspective is we do not want to make new lows here. This support is very crucial. If we do make it down into that 85-cent range, it is very crucial that we hold that zone and we get a large bounce off that area. The last 1-2 times we've come into that zone, we've gotten a pretty solid bounce. So we could be looking to revisit that area. Another area I'd be looking for here is, I believe this is right around $1.08. We need to hold this area. This could be a new higher low from a weekly perspective, right? Here we have this weekly perspective. We have this almost like this W pattern going on. Maybe we need to come back and revisit, create a higher low in retrospect to the previous low here. So I want to see us hold from a bullish perspective. From a bearish perspective, we do not want to, like from a bearish perspective, the bears are happy. As soon as we got up into this area, we had a large sell-off, and we came back down another 38%. So what we don't want to see from the bearish perspective is we get this breakdown, we pop up, and then we continue to make a new low. So that's the breakdown of Oust here. Easy.